Have you noticed when you start shaving, especially with a new blade, you start to bleed around the area that you might have nicked? Well, I got a solution for that. So if you guys are into straight razors, you know as well as much as I do that when you start out with a new blade, you are more tendencies to nick yourself. Well, I got a nice, easy solution. So what I like to do is after I put a new blade in my straight razor, the safety razor, and actually any multi-blade, this will work too. Take a towel, and this is a new blade as I have put it in. Take a towel, and it's nice to have it like hanging on something is probably the best example, but for this demonstration, it'll still be fine. Take your straight razor, your multi-blade, and you're gonna go ahead and rub up, and you're gonna rub down, up, down, and then same up, down. And it's more of the up motion that I want, but after you're doing that, you're gonna actually dull it just a little bit so we get away from that razor sharp. And when I go and shave, I really don't have any issues when it comes to nicks and cuts. And you can actually tell the difference when you're putting in a new blade versus actually dulling it down just a little bit with this trick. So like I said, you can use it for a multi-blade, a straight razor. So if you're having some trouble and you're noticing you're getting a lot of nicks in your shave, go ahead and use that trick. Get yourself a towel or some sort of fabric that you can go ahead and run that razor just a little bit on the fabric, and that'll go ahead and dull it up for you just a little bit that we need, and that way when we're going ahead and we're shaving, you won't necessarily get a cut. But that'll definitely help you alleviate those nicks and those cuts. And also, you guys just remember to exfoliate. I'm just coming out of the shower. That's also gonna help you too. So just some quick tips for you. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you on the flip side. See ya.